is an Extreme Rules match. On the way
now look
to
at
the
this.
ring.
Uh-oh, here we go. Still not officially underway. Got the up. Ooh! Effectively using the knee. Kick to the gut. Ooh, brutal forearm. Nailed it. What a strike. Right on the mark. You gotta believe this one's over. Woo-wee. Boom, what impact. Beautiful technique. Bray Wyatt on the defensive. To be expected, though. It's not like he's in there with a slouch, guys.
I know it's somewhat early still, but this could be a pivotal point in this match, guys. Let's see how he reacts here.
He's not looking like himself here. He may have to start reevaluating his game plan.
This is all part of the process, guys. He knew he would take on some offense here tonight. He just has to make sure he keeps it to a minimum. Setting it up. Nice neck breaker.
This might be it.
Oh, my. Oh, boy, he is rolling. Harsh impact.
Unceremoniously deposited down.
Looks like he's starting to falter. Guys, this is where we find out what he's made of.
A very crucial part in the match for him here. He simply cannot let his opponent gain too much momentum.
Ooh, nasty impact. He's playing with him now. He's in trouble. Uh-oh, got him in the sleeper. Is he gonna pass out?
Game, set, match. This one is over.
Power bomb. That could be it, guys.
Bray Wyatt's just getting overwhelmed.
He wants no part of the outside. He's got the shoulders down. Oh. Here he goes. What impact.
This is his opportunity to win this thing.
Here's a cover. Could be it. One.
He got body on body there, but that's about it.
It's way too early.
Wyatt kicking some serious tail here.
Gotta believe this one's over. Bray Wyatt. Right across the back of the neck. Ooh, what impact. This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Just breaking down the opponent.
What a headbutt.
Vicious. Taking off his feet here.
And it's moves like that that make him so dangerous.
He's looking at it. Nasty impact.
Warm up the bus. This one is over.
He's got him down. Is this it?
Oh boy, he is rolling.
3. The cover. And this one's history. What a win. How about another look at some of the highlights?
Overall, this match was average at best. But not every match is going to be memorable. In fact, I've almost forgotten it happened already.
Here are your winners, The Bear, Bob Barker, and Maniac Cop.
That's it for this tag team match, and what a thrilling match it was.
When you put these two together, victory is really the only plausible outcome.
Plenty more action still to come here tonight, folks.